Good morning, good morning. All right. Good morning, good morning. All right. The market's about to open. I've already taken quite a few trades today, so we're going to go over that in a minute. Oh, let me put the disclaimer up here because that is important. It is important to know that trading is risky, and you should also know that. All right. I think I'm on YouTube as well. Cool. Let me share this. Hi, Shad. Good morning. If you haven't updated your contracts, all of us with the algo and manually trading are quote me on that. Oh, I will, Dan. Oh, I just copied that now instead of the link for YouTube. Hold on. Risking or trading is risky. Please know what you're doing. Understand you can lose. Blah 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 blah. All right. All right, let's get to it. Good morning. Hi, Jen. Jen, we gotta do a live together soon because we haven't done that in a little bit. Hi, Lauren. Your Instagram? Yeah, I disabled it. Just follow us on TikTok or yeah, that's about it. TikTok. There were too many logistics. I'm gonna copy that. Thank you, Jen, and put it in the regular announcements. Good morning. It is Tuesday, September 12th. The market's about to open. We'll see if we drop below this chop zone that we went over. It's the JLo show, exactly. With my students or not. Is this glary or is it just me? I think it's just me. Anyway, I have bold zones. I did a new layout. Thank you. I created a new layout. My cleaning lady just left. I should just put this keyboard somewhere else. Anyway, I created a new layout. Why is my NQ zones on in trade? Zones, this will be all bold range. So bold range, bold line, bold chop. Bold chop on YM has already taken 2 trades, 2 for $400. Yeah, buddy. Jen, I'm not in that target hit on NQ zones. Nice. But what one was that? Because I feel like I'm not in it. But I am green, $745 on the day. Did everything reset for me? I don't know. All of my stuff is showing at 0. I don't know. Hopefully that's fine. Hopefully. Hi, good morning. If you're new here, my name is Lauren. I go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, showing you my auto trading algorithm in the futures market. No options, no forex, no stocks, just futures because they're the best. If you want more information about any of this or learning how to manually trade futures, you can email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. We'll see if we break below this chop zone. YM came back and hit this level of resistance and is rejecting from there at 950. That's already 40 points on that. So overnight, let's talk about the trades that we had overnight. ES night, 1 for 1. This is a daily occurrence now. ES night up there, 1 for 1. NQ night, also 1 for 1. Right there. And then we had NQ night on zones, which was 3 for 3 last night for $300. I actually went live last night. This was the third trade. This was the second trade, and this was the first trade. I know it's a little harder to see on those, but 3 for 3 on NQ night zones. What else? Nothing on bold line yet. We'll see, but where can I see a spreadsheet to show success over the last month or so? Miguel, we can email that to you. So if you email me and ask for, historical data, we can send that to you. Or like performance data, whatever. Yeah, but we've been doing this for years. I've been doing this since 2020, and some of my members have been with me since 2020. Most of them have been with me for at least the last year. Like since last August, we have 280 members currently, and out of 280, I would say at least 180 have been with me for like over 6 to 8 months. Hasn't improved a lot over the last few months. Yeah, I think we've made some adjustments and things have been really good. April was a hard month this year, but I feel like April is typically hard anyway. All right, we're bouncing right off the area I told my students that we would. So let's see if this continues and we move up, or if we end up kind of fizzing out here and going back down. Oh, you watch those, Kenny? I don't ever watch those. Like April in 2022 is a tough month, but we're going in quarter four, and today's the last day for the Apex sale as well. We're going into quarter four, and quarter four, I know I say this a lot, but it is the best time for any type of trading, like stock trading, manually trading, algo trading. Like the market is just so giving in quarter four. It's like Christmas, which is why that's how we found Santa. And we went over some of that information last night on the live stream. We looked at the data of Santa and all of the scalper setups in quarter four of last year, and they're just killing it, like absolutely murdering the game. And not in a negative way, TikTok, so don't flag me or something, but you know what I mean. They were just doing a really good job. Okay, cool. Well, that's good. So not in any trades right now. This is my manual chart in the top. And if you're on YouTube, you can see all this. Make sure you say hello, Miguel. It should only be one Miguel, not two. Well, there's a Miguel in TikTok. Listen, I'm going to tell each of you in your own platform, you're the most important. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, please. If you have the chat open on YouTube, just minimize the chat or hide the chat, and then you can hit the thumbs up. Please put a hello or a good morning in ES is in a long.
Target filled.
Target filled on NQ, and ES is pushing, push. See up here, push. NQ early. Oh, RTY also hit target. RTY took a long, NQ took a long, and ES took a long. ES is still trying to get to target here. Here we go. Push.
Target filled.
Target filled on ES. NQ is still pushing on the long, but that's become a No Tuesday play, so we don't actually really care. Hi, Kevin. Yes, please put a hello or a good morning in the chat. It just is so nice. It feels nice. I'm sure it feels nice to say it. Let's go. Apples. So RTY.
Order submitted.
But RTY is now not something I run today anyway. Bold zones, RTY is also in a trade. This RTY is in a long on the top chart here. See what happens with that. And that is a no Friday. So that's a play today. I don't have it live, but it is. Hi, Carlos. Good morning. Please hit that thumbs up. Hi, Jason, you. So nice. I love saying good morning and hello. NQ early is still in this long. It looks like it's positive now, so it might go to target. I am now currently green, $1,057 on the day. I can take a picture of my account information and show you guys. I'll just blur out my actual this. Very good. So you can see here the top account is Sim, and then I have other Sims that I test stuff on, but this one right here, Lauren, is my account, and $1,057 on the day so far. $1,057. And again, I think some people assume my trading account is like super large. It's not. My trading account
Target
is
filled.
typically around $10,000, and that's it. And I know obviously that could be a lot of money to some people, but I think like somebody yesterday was like, "Oh, but your trading account is so big," and I think he was like insinuating that I had like a $100,000 trading account or something. Hi, Laura. Yes, chat. Good morning. Let's get some apples in the chat, some eggs. Eggs hit target after that little bit of a pullback. ES hit target, NQ hit target. Remember, overnight, both ES and NQ both had wins. So now that's 4 for 4 on the day for ES and NQ range. RTY range also hit target. That was here, but I did not have that on live. So that would have been another 100. So I would have been up another 200. That would have been like 1,300 on the day. But, you know, we got to stick to our rules. If it says don't run it, I don't run it. And I don't have FOMO about it either. Nice job, Daniel. Daniel just posted his results with ES early. $355 for all of his accounts. Remember, for real, R2I in a long on zones. Yes. Ignore that. I had the settings changed on that to show on live. Oh, what? The NQ zones, Jen? Is that what you were talking about? Yeah, what's your Kelly criteria? Who's Kelly? I played one account, one trade, only 1 eggs, which hit. Nice. What's a Kelly criteria? I must be out of the circle if I don't know what that is. I'm so excited about YM over here. Oh, RTY also is still in this long down below, and it's green. $80 on this long at 1876. I appreciate the live, but I've tested many bots. They don't work. Yeah, Chris, I've heard that before, but I've been doing this for years, and my bots work. I'm also someone who, I think the big difference is I am always optimizing and reassessing the market, and if that means that a strategy is no longer working, I am on top of it, and I'm either changing the targets, changing the stop loss, figuring out what's happening that I can make it better. So I get what you're saying. I've heard that before, but it's nothing to me because we've been doing this for 3 years. I have target filled on R2I. I have over 10 algos, and I probably have over 100 strategies, and they all can be used in different markets. Like right now, I'm not running Scalper live, but Scalper is amazing come October, November, December. And we talked about that last night when I went live. So yeah, I get it, but I appreciate you joining the live stream. I go live every single day, twice a day, to show you my algorithms. I go live 9:30 to 10:30 and then 2 to 3 p.m. So, and I've been going live for years. I have a YouTube. You can go check out my past live streams on my YouTube. I have not strayed from what I typically run. NQ is my favorite product of all time. I only trade futures, but NQ on Bold Range, I have been running since inception. So that's my baby. And then we've expanded to other things like Bold Chop or Bold Line, which is more conservative. And then Bold Zones is a premium algo. But yeah, I think my members and my success speaks for itself. I don't really think I have to talk about that much. Mike King just said YM hit again. YM is 7 for 8 out of green days for the past 8 days. Nice, Mike. I'm not running YM range. Clearly Mike is. Hey Blaze. Hey Jonah. Genoa? Maybe I've been saying it wrong. Is it Genoa? I apologize if I've been saying your name wrong. Genoa. I think it's Genoa. Yes, Jen. Genoa. Awesome. I apologize for calling you Jonah all of the other times. So, yeah, I'm not in any trades right now. But as far as Bold Range, which comes standard with the algorithm subscription, and Scalper, again, I'm not running Scalper, but Bold Range. Overnight, ES was 1 for 1, NQ was 1 for 1. This morning, ES was 1 for 1, NQ was 1 for 1, RTY was 1 for 1. YM range was 1 for 1. I actually have a different YM range that I'm running, Michael, that you might be interested in. That's not the worst I've been called. I made $1,800 yesterday. I've already made over $1,000 today, and it's 9:40 a.m. I could easily just be done for the day here. On Friday was flat because I was up $1,500 and then I had a loss at the end of the day, so then I was flat on Friday. But every other day last week, if you joined the live stream, I was up $1,000 every day by like 9:40 a.m. Which is insane money for doing nothing but turning on the algorithm. Like, yes, you have to do a little bit of thinking, especially if you're using Apex. Remember, the Apex sale ends today. If you want 80% off any Apex account, go to apextraderfunding.com, use the coupon code SAVE80, and then you can utilize the algorithm with... Look at all these people posting results. Then you can use the algorithm in conjunction with a prop firm. So with your Apex evaluation account or your funded account. And it's not just Apex. You could use Take Profit Trader. You could use Lilu, UTrader, whatever. Let's look. Daniel posted his results. These are all of his Apex accounts. $355 across all of them. William, keep it consistent. Nice for William. Let's get some emojis on these people so I can bloop them, Jen. Is this Jen or this is Tony? We need some blooping. Bottom two are new evals. The top are all PA accounts for Down Bad. Nice job for him. K Lavender, GC was a no for me today. Not a bad day. Still have NQ later to go. 125 on all of hers. Very nice. All right. Let's do some blooping really quickly. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Let's show some love. We need some robots and some apples because the green apple hit and the robot is just a new signature. Whoever found that, I don't know how I never had the robot before. Can't wait to pass my evaluation. That is very exciting. I'm excited for you as well. I don't think I'm going to get a trade here on YM because it didn't go back in the actual chop zone. Yeah, because it would have already been in a trade. Because it would have actually been into the short on this. Day 7, nice. Might do a manual from call. Yes, you should get on TikTok, William, and do your own TikTok live streams and tell me and then put it in the group and then we can all come support you. I would love that. All right. I blooped all those. Good morning, good morning. Please hit the thumbs up. There are 26 of you on YouTube, but only 14 likes. Which is so sad. So sad. We need 26 likes, okay? We need the same amount of likes as people that are in the actual where we get the green light. What are you talking about, Jonathan? Jonathan, sometimes I feel like you are always doing the talk to text in your phone and it's never correct English. I'm going live today. I usually do it at night when practicing. Okay, well, yeah, let me know. Put the link. Jonathan knows how to share the link now. Yeah, hit that little heart thing. Was Gold Range supposed to take a trade? No, Gold has not taken a trade today. There's no trade on Gold, and it has not taken it, nor was it supposed to. If it was supposed to take the trade, it would have taken the trade, Derek. I'm going live today. I didn't know we had the green light to talk algo. Oh, yeah, you can talk the algo in here, just not like specifics. I don't know what you wanted to say. The green light for what? Do you trade ES? But Chelsea wants to know. Yes, I trade ES. ES has already taken 2 trades today. It had a night trade here, and then it had a trade here where I made $300. So I'm up like $450 on the day on ES alone. Oh, yes, you can go live like Jen. Listen, I have a referral program. If you want to bring people, and to bring people, you need to go live. Yes, you guys can go live like Jen does. Obviously, don't be giving away proprietary information, Jonathan. I feel like I would have to watch you pretty closely. But yeah, you can go live and show the algorithm. Absolutely. And if you get people to sign up, those are your referrals. Hell yeah. More power to you. But, you know, just don't be giving any proprietary information away. Don't be showing, like, the actual, I typically don't show, like, the time frames of the charts, stuff like that, because people will literally just try to copy us. Shay Jen, we need to go live. 4 people expands the reach. So we'll do a foursome later. Me, Jen, Jonathan, and William. That sounds good to me. But I was thinking about getting a massage today. Totally. I don't need to be watched. You just want to be on there? You just want to be part of the foursome? Big Bussa said I'll watch. I would watch that too. Jen is like, no. Her husband's like, no. Listen, if you can't live a little, then why are we even alive? Do you know what I'm saying? Sometimes I am so shocked how people live such a straight life. Like, just a straight life. You gotta have a little fun. Listen. Also, did we talk more about how we're thinking about doing the meetup in Texas instead of Vegas? Word of the day. What's the word of the day for? So, foursome is the word of the day. I need Will for defense. I think Will can handle himself. In Dallas, yes. Oh, we're gonna do a Dallas meetup. But then in Austin is how far? It's like 4 hours. Listen, I want to play poker in Austin, okay? No, but I really wanted to do like a conference kind of thing. Better be Houston. Miguel said it better be Houston. Blackjack. I'm not good at blackjack. I'm not good at any pit games. Austin is more fun. Yeah, but Dallas has like the biggest airport, so everyone could just fly in for probably pretty cheap, right? How does Dallas have nicer weather if you guys are all in the same state? Oh, is that a thing? Do we have a report? No, we don't have any other reports till later. No day has been set yet. I really prefer Vegas, but I was looking at their conference rooms, and they're huge. Like, so I want to do a meetup, and obviously anyone that's like in the group will be given information for the meetup. But then I also want to do like an intensive live in-session trading thing. Terrence keeps saying like I should do it, and I was like, yeah, that's a good idea, and maybe have like guest speakers like Brian, Jen. You know, all the people you love. I would ask Kenny, but he's probably too busy. I would still ask him. He'd probably be like, I don't have time for you little people. I was trying to clean my glasses, and I was using my shirt, but clearly it was just making it, like, I don't know if I have lotion on my shirt or whatever, because it was making it more smudgy. Now I'm using my pants, and they're much more clear. I know. I talked to Kenny about it when we were talking about Vegas. Oh my goodness, can you imagine the squirrels I would chase? What? What? He can fly in on his private jet, right? Remember he posted that picture? Like, okay, Kenny. Okay, chill. I'm up for Vegas. I know, I really like the idea of Vegas too. I just would have to get more information about a conference, like a conference room. Like the ones I was looking at were like ginormous. They're for like thousands of people. Like I would want to do something intimate where it would be maximum 30 people maybe. And it would be like a 2 or a 3 day in-person session where I want a private jet. I want a private jet too. Have a ball and chain you to the podium to speak, Jen. Let me know. Oh, Jen, Jen's words would be hard to find that day. She'd be like, go to Ski Lodge. Where is Ski Lodge? Let me know if you need help. Wait, Powerboat Babe, are you like in Vegas? Do you have information on conference rooms? Like, I'm sure I could really look into it. Why a conference? What do you mean, Miguel? Because I want people to bring their laptops, like my manual traders, and I would do like an in-person thing. Oh, nice, powerboat. But who are you? Because I don't actually know. Are you in the group so I can message you? I want something small. Tim, have a couple other things running. We're pretty much done for the day. Nice job, Tim. Premium, keep it rolling with big NQ is on the bench. Do it. Look at Tony. Look at Tony. $750 across all of his accounts. Tim B, 275 to 100 across all of his accounts. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. I would go. Yeah. So the meetup, no, my husband is. Oh, nice. So the meetup, anyone in the group could go to. Like, you guys would get that information. I'm not going to publicly put it out there because I don't want a bunch of creeps showing up. But if you're in the group, I would tell you where the meetup would be and, like, when. As long as some chicken wings there, I'm good. But the other part would really be manually, like, learning more. Like, in-person, manual trading, going through it together, that kind of thing. And I know some people would prefer that, so that would be something that I would offer to like 20 or 30 people for like 2 days. Like maybe you'd get there on a Monday and it would be like a Tuesday, Wednesday conference kind of thing, and then leave Thursday. Like it's not going to be like a whole week. We're going to send info to your friends so he can reconnect. Oh gosh. I don't know who that is, Jonathan, but don't do that. That's a no thank you. Big Buster said I'm interested. So obviously you would have to have a laptop because I don't think they would provide that. The conference room would have to have very good Wi-Fi. I guess I would get like a projector, like when I was thinking about this, like a projector and a screen, and hook it to my computer and just kind of go through the trades. Really like legitimate live trading with you guys for 2 days and going over things and sitting with like each person to see kind of like where they might need help or what they're seeing. The I miss you guy. Who was that? Who was that I miss you guy? I honestly have no idea. But anyway, so either it would be in Texas. I don't know if Texas has conference rooms. Does Dallas have conference rooms? I'm sure they do. But I just feel like Vegas is more fun. I would be very interested, Gregory said. Okay, cool. It's not going to be cheap if you're doing the, you know, the essentially one-on-one training, because obviously I'm going to have to be booking the conference room. I would be getting, you know, breakfast for the people in that thing. You know, it would be like breakfast and snacks, something like that. So I have to get it all priced out. And then I would try to get a discount for everyone's rooms or whatever. You would just have to, I guess, call and say like BoldBot. Your boyfriend whose birthday was yesterday. Oh, my ex from college. I already forgot about that conversation. No, I'm definitely not doing an Airbnb. That is so, like, 19-year-old kind of situation. You guys can Airbnb it. Listen, Jonathan, you and William and Rodney, you guys can all shack up together and have a good old time. I'm going to be on a resort in a secure hotel with, like, what is it called? Like a bouncer at my door. Oh, I love room service. It's so expensive, but I love it. Yeah, Dallas downtown hotels have them. Sheraton. Ugh, Sheraton sounds like, ugh. You know what I'm saying? Like when you compare Vegas, I feel like to just like a regular city, I'm like, ugh, high security. Yeah. No, honestly, for that week, I would probably hire armed and maybe not armed, but I would hire a bouncer or whatever. Yeah, I would hire security for sure. That's privileged. I'm just saying, there are creepy people out here. Kyle's like, in Vegas. So I'll look into it. But then when I started talking about it being next summer, Terrence was like, oh, it's so hot. Well, listen, we're going to be in a conference room. We're going to be in a conference room from 8 a.m. probably till like 2 p.m. Tuesday, Wednesday, if you sign up for the mentoring. And then after that, we could go chill by the pool, and then we can all get together for like dinner or not, or drinks or whatever, and then definitely gambling. Jen said I can do that. Wait, what one can you do, Jen? We can make it happen. Have Jen wear sunglasses and a headpiece. next summer I'm definitely interested. Yeah, it wouldn't be like anytime soon. It would be what Tony said. High security. Yeah, all of that. Listen, where are we at? Are we going to be getting any other trades anytime soon? No. 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 But my students might be taking it. GC was a no-go. Yeah, no, GC didn't take a trade. And that's fine. But I think it still have a little while? I think it does. Sounds good. So maybe I'll put a feeler out there in the student channel to see who would be, like, seriously interested in the conference portion. Because that's, like, the biggest reason. Obviously, I want to do a meetup and meet people and have fun, whatever. But the conference would be the serious part. Like, if you really want to elevate your trading to the next level, and if you want to have just, like, one-on-one time, send up for Apex. Nice, E. Yeah, the sale ends today. Today is Tuesday, September 12th. The sale ends for Apex today. So, and just to give an estimate, and, like, I don't know. This is just an estimate. It would probably be, like, $5,000. Well, maybe not that much. I would have to see how much the conference room would cost. Because also, if I'm having like Jen speak or Brian speak, I would have to pay them. So all of that goes in to the cost. So 2 days, essentially like, so maybe more like 3,000, 500 trade account. I can bring Apex into that. Yes. You just go to connections, E, and then you add the rhythmic connection in addition to your cash connection. So you go to rhythmic, but that's all, the whole setup is on Apex. There's a video that will take you through how to connect with Apex, but it won't interfere with your cash connection. So you can have two connections on at the same time. Yep. Just exactly what Jen said. On a serious note, I can get some for everyone else in the Grand Prix if you need a conference with loaded room meeting space. Oh. I don't know what that is. Could be for fixing for easy access to the airport. Are those in Texas? Did I miss six? I don't know what that is. We don't trade stocks. We should all be money bags by then. Nice. All right, so Big Bus and I are on the same. Yeah, 3.5 to 5K. If you, and so I'm gonna price it out and see. Obviously, if we end up doing Texas instead, and the conference room is like a lot cheaper or whatever, then and then the cost is lower, then I could, lower the cost of the one-on-one. I don't even know what to call it. Like, what am I calling it? Live mentoring? Live student trading? I don't know. What is it called? But I just love Vegas. Like, and I really want to, I enjoy gambling every now and then. I just want to go and, like, have a good time. Can we talk about this YM chop down here, though? It's already 2 for 2 on the day. But it came back. It didn't go all the way back in the chop. But do you see? Then it dropped again significantly. Like 985 down to 930. That's 55 ticks. What's 55 times $5 a tick? I'm with Vegas. Yeah, I'm going to have to look at some. Jen, what conference were you guys at? Like, I don't have to stay at the conference room I'm using, but that's where... So I would... Actually, that might be safer. It might be safer to do the conference not at the hotel that I'm staying at. And then I could get rates at that hotel for you guys, and then I just stay somewhere else. We were at Mirage. How was the conference room? Was it large? I'm sure it was large. I just don't need anything too big. I need like a small, intimate room for 30 people. First run of the day for Pink. Pink is green $240 on this long. Irma is in the long from 15,425. Oh, are you still on the old contract, Irma? Irma is still on September. Girl, when are you switching to December? We gotta get you to switch to 1223 contracts. Remember, we are all moving to the December contracts this week. 2024 mentoring live in Vegas. Ooh, look at that. Pin that. Whoa, stay somewhere else. Whoa. Jonathan, you're becoming the main suspect here. You're questioning all of my personal securities, and now you're on the radar. Irma cheated. Yeah, mine didn't do that. I'm on 1223. Yes, Whitney. We would have so much fun. I could see Whitney, like, she's a fun girl. You know, just like people have energy, and it's like, you're a fun person. Not like a boring person. And even though I don't drink, oh gosh, even though I don't drink, I'm a very fun person. I'll have you know that. And if it was a special occasion, maybe I'd have like a glass of champagne. Where did my Internet Explorer go? You guys are going to get on me for that Internet Explorer. Shh. I gamble. I have a lot of fun. People used to think I drank, I think because I act like I drink, if that makes sense. Oh, whoa, this new Slack, I'll explore on my own. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, I just got the new Slack on my desktop. Can I make this smaller? Okay, cool. It doesn't look much. It doesn't. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. What is this? It doesn't look that different. Okay, why are we talking about, Gregory, why are we talking about gold in the student chat? Please keep that for the regular chat. No other trades happening. We will be sober together. Yeah, but we will be like laughing and acting like people will think we're drunk. You know what I'm saying? I'm still green, $1,057. No other trades have happened. It updated as well. Yes, we would have so much fun. I get the same energy from you. You're so cute, Whitney. Planet Hollywood has small ones upstairs where they had poker tournaments. Oh, Kyle, that's good. Maybe I'll look into that. I got flight miles to use up. Let's go. Let's go. Brett, you can message Irma. She has a video on it, but I posted it in announcements. You honestly just have to exit NinjaTrader and go back in. Let me show you the picture. This is what it will look like, but you shouldn't do it now. Just do it later today. Fully exit NinjaTrader by pushing the X on the NinjaTrader home box, not on any of your charts. Do not close out any of your charts. It will say, do you want to save your workspace? Say yes. And then when you go back into NinjaTrader, this will automatically pop up and you just push done. You just push done. And then it will say, are you sure? And you say yes. And then it will update all of your charts to December instead of September. I'll definitely have a few gummies in Vegas. Listen, y'all better not rub off on a very straight-laced person. Okay, no, I'm just kidding. I'm not straight-laced. All right, this is a fun. I'm glad we had it's only 10:05. I feel like without trades, I feel like time is going so slow. We're still in my chop zone. For my students, we never left. But no, I'm going to compare. I'll look at both Dallas and Vegas. I'll look at the Planet Hollywood. Because that's also a good location. Like if they gave room discounts, it's a good location too. It's like right on the strip. There's lots of stuff to do there. If you wanted to stay at like the Cosmo across the street, which is a little nicer, you could always do that. Yeah, Jen looks for content. We end up talking live. What? Oh, that's what the afternoon is like. Oh, right. Usually cheap rooms. Yeah. So I'll look. I just had somebody in the group message me about a few conference places in Dallas. So I'll look that up. I'm thinking, I don't know, what's the best month of the year? Like May, June? I don't know. Kids get out of school, and then are people on family vacations? I don't know. Maybe I'll put like a survey. Ooh, I could do like a poly survey in the group. I'll do it in the student corner because, again, this is only for people that are already mentorship students. And I'll say, oh my gosh, one just came up. When should we hold our meeting? Yes. But I'm going to put like months. Like what would be the best month? Summer, volume low. Yeah, and it's definitely cheaper in Vegas for sure. Create a poly. No, what the hell? Stand up title. What? So like May, June, July. I'm fine with any of those. Create a poly. Build the right poly. Who's your audience? Collect general feedback. No. Ooh, but that is actually interesting. I could use that for the algo stuff. Sorry for anyone that's on. Oh, did I close YouTube? Oopsies. I might not be live on YouTube anymore because I closed all of my windows. Oopsies. I didn't even notice. Y'all, are y'all still here? All right, they were still there. That's good. All right, let's do a poly. Create a poly. Create new. What is my question? What month is the best to get away? Because obviously, and this is not a couples retreat. Listen, y'all can bring your significant other if you want. They can't come to the meetings and they can't, and the meetups, like I don't care if they come to the meetups. But this is not going to be like, listen, this is a BoldBot event. It's going to be lit. And I don't need people being like, because most people in this group are men, and I don't need a whole bunch of wives like giving like dirty eyes or having a problem with the fun that we're having. Do we get this? Forget your wife. Just leave your wife at home, okay? Multiple choice. Is that rude? Okay. 1 to 5. No. Agree or disagree? Multiple choice. Enter the choices below. Okay. May, June, July. Tell her that's the rule. That will go over well. The rule is no spouses. Okay? We're here to have fun, and audience can add choices. Allow comments. Oh shit, where am I putting this? Create a link. Anyone? Okay, I have a link. Did it copy? Copy link. Okay. Oh! It posted. Alright, look, you guys can vote. If you're in the student chat, you can vote May, June, or July. Good. Jen just voted. All right, everyone needs to vote. With the money being made, wives should understand. And listen, I don't want any drama. It's just going to be fun. It's going to be serious. The conference part is going to be very serious, just like we are every morning on the student call. But in the afternoon, in the evening, we're going to be having some fun. And I just don't want people being like, oh, my wife says I can't come out tonight. Like, what the? I never get that. I don't understand. Well, I guess I could understand. But I don't understand when, like, if it's, like, a really, really bad situation, I guess I would understand if a spouse was like, I'm not okay with that. But, like, I don't know. I feel like too many people are, like, bossed around by their spouse, and I would be like, I'm not having that. Probably why I'm single now. I do what I want to do when I want to do it, and that's just the end of it. The no ball and chain BoldBot convention. Your responses are non-anonymous. Everyone's saying May. Oh, now we have a few in July. Sounds like I am a Leo. We know that. I don't really have regard for others, which is not nice. Like, I'm never mean to people, but when I want to do something, like, I'm definitely going to be doing it. And if you don't like it, then you're just going to be in a bad mood. And be sure to let your spouse know it's called that when you tell them you think they can't come. May is cool. We should all be bawling out by then. Yeah, I'm good with May. Listen, May is cool. Is that when, like, the WSOP is, though? Because then we're going to be fighting for hotel rooms. Or is that, like, in June now? I don't even know. It used to be, like, November. That's a hot mess. Hi, shall we buy now? No idea what you're talking about. BLNOT till the end. Wait, what does that stand for? I'm sure there's a rational explanation. A secret convention where you want me, Rachel, for a few hours, too. Don't go during the rodeo. Don't go during the rodeo where everything is jacked up. Okay, well, I don't know when the rodeo is. Honey, you can't buy that purse you want because I had to pay Lauren $5,000 for this very private session that you're not allowed to come to. Rodeo's in December. Well, we weren't talking about December anyway. So, you know, Lieutenant Dan, enough. Like, okay, get your wife the purse and then in the same sentence say, oh, as a heads up, I will be going to Vegas for a BoldBot retreat that is individuals only. With Lauren and Jen. Lauren and Jen and Whitney and Laura and Irma, all of the BoldBot ladies, okay? I'll be like, what? What are you talking about? Let me see. I don't like her voice. She's annoying. No wife's allowed because they want to turn up. But don't worry, she doesn't drink. Oh my god. Don't worry, they don't drink, but they have room for one. Laura said room for one. Amen. Single underage is kind of refreshing. It's so refreshing. I wonder if that's the other Amber. Listen, even if I'm in a relationship, I do what I want. My ex and I were together for like 8 years, and I did what I wanted. And I pick where we're going to eat, because that's a big thing for me. If I'm with someone and they're like, oh no, we have to go here, I'd be like, no, we're not going to be dating anymore. That's not going to go over well. Dan said, I'll bring my Dan said, I'll bring my camera and we'll do a woman foldback. Where's Jason? He would. Kyle said, wives aren't allowed in Vegas. Oh, Amber. No wife's allowed because they want to turn out, but don't worry. Maybe there should just be a sign. Maybe there should just be a sign when people book a flight for Vegas and it's like, no spouse is allowed. That's like, look at Jen dancing. Jen's and I need to bring my camera. No, it would be a no cameras allowed. And then there's security everywhere that if you pull your phone's going to have to be left at the front of the room. It's going to be in one of those little baskets. No phones allowed, no cameras allowed, no record, nothing. And she's probably listening to this live asking why I can't come. Yeah, only 6 of them apparently. Sign an NDA. Ooh, that's a good one. Yeah, hopefully there's a divorce attorney on site. Oh my gosh. Exactly, Amber. Listen, I want the spouses that are down. Like, Jen's husband probably wouldn't give a fuck. He'd be there and be like, okay, whatever. Like, that's what I'm saying. People that are secure within themselves and they trust you. Listen, if you don't trust your spouse, why are you with your spouse? Now we're getting on a whole different topic. Like, that's a personal problem. I'm not the problem. Jen's not the problem. The ladies are not the problem. They're not the problem. Again, it's so funny, but this goes hand in hand with trading. It's about discipline. It's about knowing what you should be doing, what you should not be doing. You told us to go. Just can't be in July. Why? What's July? Oh, let's look at all the votes we have. Oh, people are commenting. WSOP starts at the end of May, Memorial Day weekend. I think I'll be very, very, very patient. Oh, okay. Well, they're talking about trading. There are 11 votes for May. There's no votes for June. And there's like 2 for July. All right. If we do May, then it would have to be like mid-May before the WSOP because that will get expensive. I'm coming. Gregory said I'm coming for all the wives. Getting into the deep end of the pool. All right. I'm going to vote for May as well. Now there's 14 votes for May. All right, now remember, this is going to be like 30 max. And remember, anyone can come for fun, to do the meetups, whatever. But for the specific BoldBot live coaching, or I don't know what we're calling it yet. BoldBot Vegas trading. I don't know. I'm going to think about something clever. I can't think about anything right now. I'm honestly going to cap it to like 20 or 30 people. I don't want too many because it's obviously going to be me and then maybe a few others that are kind of like on site helping, going around, kind of checking things, whatever. So I can't have like 50 or 100. Leave your wife at home convention. My birthday. I don't plan on being in America that month. Oh, July? Kyle said I'm single and ready to mingle. This is not a single people's convention, nor is it a married people's convention. It is a trading convention. Marriage counselors on premises. BBT seminar since you like food. I love food. What does the T stand for? Dan said, oh, you're having tears laughing. You are so I love it. All right. You will be single. Come at your own risk. No, there's going to be definitely a risk disclosure. If you're part of the actual trading sessions, no phones allowed. There's going to be security at the door. And whatever happens in the evenings, well, that's on you guys. I'm going to be playing poker alone. Just getting on. Sorry, my lady had a death in her family. Oh, I'm so sorry, Andon. Well, we're talking about going to Vegas without any spouses. So, sadly, your wife will be included. We have... Apparently, we're getting divorced. I still think they might run it up this afternoon. Damn, so I can't bring my favorite physician along to Vegas. Aw. You could if she's chill. I don't actually care. By May, I'll definitely need security. All right, I'm going to wrap it up. It's 10:21. This was a lot of fun. We had some great trades. We made a lot of money. In this conversation, in this convention for swing? Is this convention for swing traders? BoldBot swing trading, and the swing is like in italics. Got a lot accomplished. Gregory said have a special yoga class for everybody. We're definitely not having yoga. Oh my gosh. Zippa Media, I don't know who that is, on YouTube said that. Is this convention for quote-unquote swing traders? Jonathan said the wives can play pickleball. I actually had a lot of fun at pickleball yesterday. It was so hot. All right, please call it that. No. A BoldBot swing trading. Enough with the pickleball already. I don't know, that was so funny, but it was so funny. Alright, I'm getting off here. Thanks for the likes and the thumbs up, Lieutenant Dan. Pineapples. We should definitely put pineapples in the brochure, because you know an upside down pineapple is I didn't even know this until last year. Like, this is how out of the loop I am, that an upside down pineapple means like you're a swinger. Swing trading, and then I'll put an upside down pineapple at the end. Alright, I'm getting off of here. I'm gonna go play pickleball. Not really. Grapefruits and pineapples. Like, why does your invitation for trading have fruit all over it? What strat is the pineapple? Lieutenant Dan said, did you like pickleball? You guys, I'm crying. I'm literally crying. Pickleball was so much fun. It was so much fun. Alright, I'm getting off of here. I'm literally getting off. I'm green. Did I take that picture again? I'm green 1,000. I can put it back up here again. I'm green $1,057 on the day so far. Let me just hide this. Okay. Alright, look. This is my account. Lauren, my cash account. $1,057.50. Alright. Have a great day. And remember, I did not run RTY or NQ, so that was like another $200. Alright, have a great day. Jen will be live at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so make sure you join her. Kenny is messaging me. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. We're all working on I don't know what that means. Okay, bye. Bye.